I have a blank boy. 5-year-old boy or 5 years old boy. Here we have year and here we have years. Here we have hyphens to connect the words and here we don't, just spaces. So what's the answer? Well, the answer is 5-year-old boy. Want to know why? Well, the normal sentence is the boy is 5 years old. 5 years old with S in years. This phrase describes the boy, and the boy comes first in the sentence. But when you say, I have a 5-year-old boy, here we have year without S, and we put hyphens to connect the words to make them only one word. And this one word is an adjective that describes the boy. And the boy here comes after the adjective. So here's the rule. Number, year, old plus noun. The noun comes after it. But if the noun comes first, so noun plus number, years, old. Now test yourself. I own a blank